Hello folks, and thanks for inviting me here today to give some insight on drones. Well, first, this is footage and stills from the small DJI Spark drone that cost around $500. This is old technology, as this drone is now 6 years old, but not too bad as it's small and portable, has a good camera. Made in China. You might note that there's no sound on any of the drones. The reason being is all you'd hear would be the droning sound. Well, next is the footage and stills from the unique Typhoon Q500 4K drone. It cost about $2,900 right now. They were a lot more expensive 10 years ago when this drone first was available. It does take really good pictures, but it's pretty big. Another cool thing that I forgot to mention about the Parrot Anifa drone is that it can be taken off on a moving vehicle and land on a moving vehicle, including a boat. That's just amazing. Well, thanks for letting me demo some of my drones today so you can see what you're getting into if you decide to get one. You might note the latest and highly recommended drone, and one I'm talking about is the one made in USA. It's military grade, and the link is in the description box to their website. If you want me to get a hold of the man who owns it, I've already talked to him before to get the white sheet, and I can do that for you. Well, there's no other drone like it, and with its small size, ruggedness, 32-inch zoom, infrared, etc., I just think this is a perfect choice versus getting a used one. So if you got any other questions, I'd appreciate it if you just give me a call, and thanks again for your time. By the way, this video is not public on YouTube. It's only available to see with the link in the email we sent. So pass it on to those who you may think would be interested. So this is Dave Herbert, the Night Flyer, signing off for now. Take care.